Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to view Pinterest search history. With millions of active users, Pinterest has become the place to find ideas and resourceful information about anything you're searching for. When you sign up for Pinterest, you are asked about your interests and the type of content you would like to see. This makes sure you get a customized experience. So, to view your search history, go to your Pinterest app, then select your profile at the bottom. Then, click the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Under the settings, click on Home Feed Tuner. Now, on the main, you will see activity, interests, boards, and followings. But choose interests. Now, you will see add interest to start seeing related ideas. Remove interest to hide related ideas you're no longer interested in. Now, you can add topics to tap on Add Topics. You can add related on your topic you want. But I will choose on animals. I will tap on it. Then any kind of animals will appear. But if you want to search, you can type anything, a topic you want. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.